There are a few things in Ardha Chandrasana worth looking at. And of course, we always start with the foundation. And often the foot ends up turned like this. Oh, you can't see. But rather than that north-south with the mat, the toes end up turning in. So do make sure that the foot is pointing straight forward. And that comes from the transition. So maybe taking your time and shortening the stance in order, rather than it being this dramatic leap. And then the other thing is this hand, sometimes people have the hand too close. It needs to be your spine length away from the front foot. And then, like in Virabhadrasana 2, you actually never want to stack the hips. Don't stack the hips in your Ardha Chandrasana. So remember our Vira 2 alignment. Go back and watch that video, Vira 2 done differently, that we actually allow that hip to find a position of naturalness. And it's the same in Ardha Chandrasana. So it'll just find a position of naturalness. If you're trying to stack the hips and pull that hip back, then this foot has no choice but to come and turn in, unless you're a Russian ballerina, of course.